This morning I'm going to do a review on the gear wrench ratchet action 40-piece metric tap and die drive tool set. Now, as we all know, gear wrench, they're owned by the Danaher Group of the USA. They make some very good quality tools and equipment. It's quite a comprehensive set. It runs all the way from M3 all the way up to M12 in the taps and the dies in the 1.25 and the 1.5 pitch. You've got this ratchet action drive, which obviously it's not very fine toothed, because when you're tapping and cutting threads, fine action, I don't think it'd be strong enough. So like that, we've got the carrier that you locate your die stocks in. I've already fitted an M10 in there today, and we've got some tap extensions. You can just zoom in there. Got a couple of tap extensions there, and you've got this nifty little tool as well. To be honest, I haven't quite worked out what that is yet, but I've had this set for a couple of years, so I'm bound to find out. In the vise, we've got a M10 bolt in there. Obviously it's only partially threaded, and I want to see if I can take the thread portion of the set screw down a little bit further. So as I say, I've already got the die stock in there. It's quite easy, it just clicks in. It's forward and reverse action for the ratchet action. Just going to start it. So as you can see, instead of the traditional format where you'd have your die stock and you'd have to do a full 180-degree turn, you can do partial turns, and with the ratchet action it's really useful. Just put a little bit of cutting fluid on there, because I think we're going to be hitting just all the way down. Right, we're on virgin metal now. Let's just see if we can cut through virgin metal. Yeah, it's going. Oh, the vise has moved. Just tighten the vise back up. Yeah, it's going. The vise has moved again. So I think we're going to have to get another clamp on there. So I'm going to just get past Henry. Straighten it all up. I've got to fasten this vise down onto the bench one day. Yeah, it's going. This is the first time it's ever gone through virgin metal, and to be honest, I didn't even measure the bolt to see if we could get the die stock down there, but it is going. Take that off now. We only needed a few more threads, and let's just have a look. All the way off. As I say, that was a real world situation. I even had to tighten the clamps on the vise. Zoom in there. It's quite a good thread. Let's just just see if we get a nut down there. Let's just see. Yeah, straight down there. Okay, that was my review this morning of the gear wrench ratcheting tap and die set. If you like my videos, please subscribe, give me the thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate some constructive criticism as well. Okay, thanks a lot YouTube, over and out.